Today we will be learning about another two-dimensional or 2D shape. This shape is called a rectangle. This little orange shape right here with the smiley face is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four corners or vertices. The difference between rectangles and squares have all four sides that are equal. They are the same length. A rectangle has two sides that are longer and two sides that are shorter. So a square is a type of rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. So a rectangle has two longer sides and two shorter sides. Let's watch this silly video about rectangles.
Storybox. Your boombox is shaped like a rectangle. It sounds like one, too. Train car, fish tank, skyscraper, wooden plank, picnic table, loaf of bread, fluffy pillow, twin bed, swimming pool, bale of hay, lunchroom, food tray, deck of cards, drawing pads, school diploma, paper bag, soccer field, tennis court, hockey goal, scoreboard, chocolate cake, that tastes great. It's got four sides, got four corners, sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. TV, refrigerator, piece of paper, elevator, movie ticket, movie screen, box of candy, drink machine, building block, apple crate, book cover, pencil case, stick of butter, stick of gum, fluffy pillow, a spot, bar of soap, parking spot, graham cracker, and time. You're welcome. It's got four sides, got four corners, sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. Let's talk more about that chocolate cake. Yum.
Those storybots are always so silly. But as you can tell, there are lots and lots of objects that are in the shape of a rectangle. The lots of examples that they gave of a cake, a stick of gum, a candy bar, a door, a piece of paper. There are lots and lots of different examples of rectangles. So let's see if we can find some. So how many rectangles can we find? So this right here is a square. It's not a rectangle because all four sides are equal. A rectangle has two longer sides and two shorter sides. So this is a rectangle. This purple shape is a rectangle. Let's look at this circle right here, this blue circle. We know that's not a rectangle because that has no sides and no vertices. What about this slice of cake? No, that would be more in the shape of a triangle, so that is not a rectangle. What about this piece of paper? It has four sides, has four vertices, and two of the sides are longer than the other two. That means it's a rectangle. What about this pink shape right here? It is a rectangle because it has four sides, four vertices, and these two sides are longer than the other two sides. That means it's a rectangle. What about this slice of pizza? Is that a rectangle? No, that's not a rectangle. That's in the shape of a triangle, so we will not be circling that one. Look at this door, though. The door is in the shape of a rectangle. As you can see, four sides, four corners or vertices, and two of the sides are longer than the other two. But if you also look on the door, there are windows that are also rectangular shapes. So this is actually, the door is one rectangle, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 windows that are rectangular as well. So we're definitely going to circle that one. And then let's look at this green shape. It has four vertices, four sides, and two of the sides are much longer than the other two sides. So that is a rectangle. So we're going to circle each vertice or corner. So we're going to circle 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many vertices did we find? 4. Now we're going to number each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sides did we find? 4. So I want you to walk around your house and look for rectangles. You might see rectangles in doors or windows or candy bars or pieces of paper. I bet there's a lot of rectangles around your house. So I want you to go and try to find as many as you can.